Okay, so I'm looking at a picture, and I got to read the story first, though. It says there's two large right triangles. I do see that. They say they're identical. I'm looking at those. I'm going to assume they're identical. It says all internal triangles are similar. What does it mean? That, the pink triangles, all those pink triangles are the same, and all those blue triangles are the same. All right? So it says which is larger, the pink area on the left or the blue area on the right? So, I'm going to look at it, and the way I'm going to look at it, I'm going to say there's a base here. And the base here has got to be the same base over here. And I'm going to say there's a height. There's a height here, and there's a height here. They got to be the same, by the way. So now, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at each triangle and try to figure out, the area of the pink triangles. So I'm going to say area of the pink triangles. Now, before I do that, I want to point out how many there are. We just count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 of them. What's the area of a triangle? 1/2 times the base. What's the base of that? It's actually b over 3. And times the height of it. And what's the height of that going to be? Well, I'm looking at it. It's 1/3 of the h. So it's h over 3. I want to do simplification on that. And if I did that, let's see what I get. I certainly get BH. And then what do you get in the bottom? Well, the 6 cancel, I get 3. Right, now I'm going to do the blue triangles now. A, blue. Well, I'm glad it's a countable problem. I'm going to count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 of them. Area of a triangle is going to be 1/2. What's the base of that? It's actually 1/4 of b, so b over 4. And what's the height of that? We're looking at it, it's 1/4 of the h. Well, I got to go through the work on this over here. I'm still getting the BH. I'm glad to see that. It'll allow me some comparisons. But looking at it, looks like a 5 over 16. Now, I need to compare these two, and certainly one is going to be bigger than the other, but for me to compare them, I got to get them the same denominator. So I'm going to multiply this guy by 16 over 16, and this guy by 3 over 3. You get 48, and then you get 16 BH. Over here, what are you going to get? 15 BH over 48. Which one's larger? The 16 is larger than the 15, so this is the larger one, larger. All right, what's your question? Let me show you answer the question. 2 right triangles, identical. Which is larger? The pink triangles are larger than the blue one. What do you mean by area? Thank you.